Welcome to Gospel Quiz. We have 20 questions for you regarding the miracles that were performed by the prophet Elijah.
What king was told by Elijah there would be a drought in the country?
Ahab.
What animal brought Elijah food during a drought?
Raven.
Who did Elijah help during the famine by increasing her flour and oil?
The widow.
Elijah did what miracle for the widow's son?
Revived his life.
What did Elijah ask God to send from heaven?
Fire.
What did Elijah do to end the drought?
Pray to God.
What did Elijah do to Ahab's chariot?
Outran the chariot.
What river parted when Elijah struck it?
Jordan River.
How was Elijah taken to heaven?
In a whirlwind.
Hit the like button if you're enjoying Gospel Quiz so far.
What did Elijah heal the waters of Jericho with?
Salt.
What animal attacked the children who mocked Elijah?
Bears.
How many people did Elijah feed with 20 loaves of barley?
100 people.
Elijah prophesied what animal would lick Ahab's blood.
Dogs.
Who was Elijah's successor?
Elijah.
This one will really test your knowledge, plus share with us in the comments. What was the hardest questions to answer?
What queen wanted to kill Elijah?
Jezebel.
Elijah confronted Israel's worship of what idol?
Baal.
Who did God tell Elijah to anoint as king of Israel?
Yehu.
Who did God tell Elijah to appoint as king of Aram?
Hazael.
Where was Elijah from?
Tishbe.
Where did Elijah meet the prophets of Baal at?
Mount Carmel.
Thank you for joining us at Gospel Quiz. We hope you had fun and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let us know in the comments how you did and what topics you'd like to see next. Remember, the journey of faith is always better when we journey together. Keep studying the Word, and we'll see you next time.